Yes.
Okay, buddy. What you want?
May I get the NBA ticket 13 5:30?
At 5:30.
5:40.
5:40. Why do you think we need to go and get this game? Do you feel like you have earned the game?
Yes. But they could go. I don't have nothing to play with. Y'all gonna be sleeping watching TV.
How much is that game?
$40.
Do you think I have $40 to pay for a game?
Yes, you got paid Friday.
That I got bills that have to be paid. We may have to wait till next week.
Why are you playing that with one string?
For real. Let's just do it next week. Because that'll give you a whole week that I can check and see how well you're going to do in school. You know, getting along with your sisters.
I have nothing.
You have nothing. What do you mean? You have something. You can go over Danny's house and play.
Yeah, what if it's not there?
He's going to be there.
He got a light.
And don't start that crying.
Can you give it to them? You said we were going to get it.
I know. I said we might. I never said we did. We were. I don't really feel like I'm kind of tired. I don't feel like
Well,
going
can
out
you
there
get
and
your
driving.
rest?
I can get my rest, but I just don't feel like it.
But what that also going to go.
What that got to do with you?
But what am I going to play with? The phone not no fun.
What you gonna play with?
Nothing.
How about this?
Oh God, I love you.